Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow people to share your posts and stories on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right to get taken to your profile page. And then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then you want to scroll down under how others can interact with you and select tags and mentions. Scroll down to the bottom where it says allow people to boost stories that reshare your content and mention you. So stories that reshare your content and mention you can only be boosted into ads if you have a public account that allows mentions. These stories may be visible for more than 24 hours and can be seen by anyone. If it's toggled to the right, it means it's enabled. If it's a little blue, if it's grayed out and to the left, it means it's turned off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.